He's mad now.
I just want to crush your face.
Oh my god, did you guys hear that? Okay, who's going first? I'm gonna sit down.
Up first is Gravedigger.
One of my favorites. Oh my god.
And
Woo!
the perfect donut. Backflip. And he's gonna finish off with some donuts. Oh, and he powers out. Wait, can he power out? Oh, yes, he can. He's gonna finish off with some donuts.
Yeah!
That's gonna end his backflip run.
They're getting mad. They want to go.
Alright, up next is Finn Balor.
He's a monster truck, and y'all can see WWE figure.
And 3, 2, 1.
He didn't stick the landing. Here, what about I do the things? Let's do some donuts. Yeah, cool. Now go back.
Up next we got Zombie.
I want to start a fight.
What are you doing?
Zombie. I sniff my own farts.
Up next we have...
Zombie.
Give me a countdown.
3, 2, 1. The people didn't see it.
Oh, come on.
Try it again.
3, 2, 1.
There we go.
Oh, that's gonna finish.
My eye itches.
Up next we got Hound Holler.
Ow.
He's out.
Yeah. He kicked y'all guys.
Donuts. Here.
Okay.
Up next we got